actually cooking fish today. I'm boiling the fish and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. It's going to be a little cooking with Lou. So this is ready. I now need to fry the tomatoes and onions, then add the fish, and then it's going to cook itself. I do not add any water to the fish or spice because we don't eat spice. But yeah. Okay, so while the tomatoes and the onions are cooking to make soup or like gravy, so I can put the fish, I'm just going to clean up in the kitchen because I need to mop the floor, sweep, I need to wipe the dishes and pack them, and also clean the counters. And yeah. This is our fish and this is the gravy, and this is how the gravy is looking. I'm just going to place the fish starting with the heads because they take a bit longer to cook than the other ones, and just line them well. Yeah, and then the tails go on top. Literally heads and tails. Okay, yeah, and that's it. No water. Do not add any water. Let the fish boil itself. We'll check in later. Oh, another thing, please reduce the heat just a little bit. Just a little. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done packing I'm done cleaning the counters and also packing the dishes that were there. Now, when electricity cuts, okay, also the water, it dips. So we don't have water. I need to do these dishes outside. Yeah, I need to do these dishes outside. But anyway, while we wait for that, I think we need to check on the fish and how it's doing. About 6 minutes have passed. Yeah, so yeah, about 6 minutes have passed. Let me just wash my hands. Okay, cool. Let's check on the fish. Are you ready? Okay, it's going okay, but you can see that the water has started coming out there. Yeah, we're still not adding water. Let's let it boil some more. Also, I needed to mention that always, like a few minutes in, give your pot a little shake to just shake the fish at the bottom so that it doesn't stick. Yeah, let me fry the gravy. That's the little gravy that's going in this. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, and then I just want to show you the fish is literally boiling, guys, boiling in water that just came from the fish. Look at that, that's a lot. And you can see the fish is getting ready. Yeah, it's being cooked by the steam and the water. That's how you boil fish, ladies and gentlemen. In case you didn't know, I'm a Lwapula babe me. Like, we are the owners of fish. So when I tell you how to cook fish, that's how you cook it. That's how you boil it. Next time, I'll tell you how to fry. Next time, I'll tell you how to grill and how to do whatever with fish. Plus, me, I like fish, honestly. Like, yeah, I like fish and I like boiled fish. Anyway, let's finish cooking. Okay, so I'm just going to spread the tomato. Yeah, as you can see, the gravy is just alright. But if you feel like your gravy is thin, you can add just a little bit of bisto. Yeah, to make it thick. you even in an African home if you don't get scent? Anyway, my sister has sent me to get hair oil for her. Is it the amla oil or what? Yeah. Hello, if I go with the wrong one, she will send me back. This is hair detangler. I think it's the same one. It's the amla oil. Anyway, I'll come back. It's not a pressure. It's not a pressure. Is it this one written amla oil? Yeah. Okay. Guys, like, I'm so sorry. First of all, my brightness was low. Secondly, I didn't clean my camera. Anyway, I didn't even tell you the tea I'm drinking. I'm drinking this Earl Grey. I think it's Earl Grey. Auntie Earl. Guys, I miss you so much. I missed filming, which reminds me, I need to upload my life update video today. I'm just waiting for something. I don't know what I'm even waiting for. Oh, I'm actually waiting for one of the YouTubers to post her video so that I can post at the same time, just so my video can get traction for the first day. And then next week we go back to posting on Monday and hopefully Friday. Yeah, because those are my upload days. Monday especially is my upload day, because at least on the weekend I can like edit and whatever. Yeah, I missed you all so much. Did I say that? I think I did. How have you guys been, Mwandi? Nikudala. I hope you guys have been fine. And I hope this vlog is okay. I can't remember the last time I vlogged, bro. What? Anyway, let's just go about my day. I don't know if this is a week in my life or days in my life, but with this load shedding, I think it's just days in my life, because my battery can't sustain an entire day of me recording. So if you see me in 50 different outfits, ignore it, allow it, okay? If you see me in the same outfit, allow it, okay? Yeah, but I really hope you're enjoying. Please subscribe to the channel, okay? Please subscribe. We're trying to get to 20k by the end of 2023. Yeah, that's like the goal of the channel. So weird. Hi guys, I feel like I haven't talked to you in hours. Okay, so let me just give you a really quick update. When I finished washing my clothes in the washing machine, by the way, did I mention that it's my first time using a washing machine to wash clothes? Don't even come for me in the comments, like, no. Anyway, yeah, it was my first time using a washing machine to wash clothes, so I was so excited, you guys. Like, I was in boarding school from 2015 to 2019, and I used to use my hands to wash, okay? And then I went to university. Kailime, I used to think that if I go abroad, I'll be using a washing machine, what. But I went to a university in Zambia, okay? And if you know, washing machines aren't like common, right? They are not common. So I was still using my hands. So now this year, 2023, I used the washing machine to wash clothes for the first time. I was like, I need to vlog. Hence the excitement, okay? It's not bragging or showing off or whatever. No, it's just like an experience, like my first time experience using a washing machine. And guys, it's so... The clothes spin, they're almost dry, you just get them and hang them, that's all. And some people actually have dryers, so you don't even have to take them out in the sun. They get dry in the machine, like, bro. Hello. I was so excited. I was so excited. Anyway, electricity cut around 11:05 a.m. and then it was only restored at 17:45 or 5:45 p.m. right? So during that time my battery was very low. I couldn't even record anything for you guys. I'm so sorry. But anyway, yeah, so when my battery was low, eventually it died. And yeah, oh, when my battery was low, my cousin and I went to take photos outside and we looked so cute. In then when my battery died, I started unbraiding my hair. And you see my hair, you see my mane, you see my mane, baby. My hair card doesn't decline, okay? It doesn't decline. I feel like my hair has become thick. Yeah, I feel like it's really become thick. I've been using black Jamaican castor oil. For those who want to know, I was using black Jamaican castor oil and amla oil for my hair, and then I just had it in braids for a month. So I feel like the braids contributed because I wasn't manipulating my hair, and then the black Jamaican castor oil and amla oil were just a good supplement to like nourish my hair and make it grow longer and thicker. And baby girl, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Maybe one day I'll share with you my hair routine. Anyway, I'm very hungry, so I'm just going to warm some food. The time is currently 10:44, which is like 22:44. Yeah, and I'm just going to eat nshima with, keep in mind that we've already eaten supper. This is my snack. This is my midnight snack. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to eat nshima with rib and dry fish at 22 hours. It is what it is. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. You know what I hate about warming food in the night? When everybody's asleep and you decide to get a snack, it's because the microwave is going to... Why the noise? Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just you can run, but you can't hide. This room, this is where we did the famous Olo Jobe Tetu Jobe Fiance video. Basically, I was imitating how Zambian universities would dress if they had decent fashion. If you've never checked that video out, it's the most popular video on the channel. So yeah, I'll link it in the description box and in the iCard above. But let's clean it and make more content, okay? Yes. Ah, I'm trying to prop my phone. We good? Okay, cool. Anyway, I need to shine. Is it even shining if you can't see your reflection? Hello, if my mom sees me shining with my feet, she'll be like, why are you shining with your feet? You're supposed to kneel when shining. But guys, it's easier to shine with your feet. Anyway, I'm so tired. Let me tell you about my plan for today. I'm just going to go take a shower, and then I need to get dressed, get ready, because I'll be going to the mall with my sister to take a little parcel for Wupe. Yeah, Wupe is one of my OGs, bro. Like, bruh. So our friendship is actually quite funny. We started being friends, or we got to be friends, when we were in boarding school in grade 9. And it was first term of grade 9. Everybody was supposed to choose a sitting partner, right? And then Wupe and I were not chosen. Nobody wanted to sit with both of us. Oh my goodness, I think we were a class of 32, right? So 30 people chose themselves, and then the two of us were like the black sheep. For different reasons. Apparently I was a skit, I don't know. I'm kidding. Maybe I should give you guys a story time of my boarding school experience. But yeah, I was a skit, and like I was just very, I can't do this, I can't, whatever. Wow. Anyway, so we ended up sitting together and yeah, our friendship started. It was pretty cool. And when she left for the USA for school, I was like, oh no, my friend is going. But I was very happy for her. You guys have never seen her. Anyway, let me just show you some clips that I watch whenever I'm sad and I miss her so much. Teardrop, teardrop.
Hi guys, my name is Hostel. Welcome to
Wait, I'm not ready.
you.
Okay.
This is not
Hey
fun.
guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
I'm Hostel. I'm Wolfie.
Welcome to the amazing. Oh wait, lupelelumbanya. This is top max clownery right now.
This is what happens. This is what happens with Cloud 1.
And then it's Cloud 2. And then they meet the master of the circus.
I think you said anything new. So, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm with my friends.
And you what?
YouTube channel. You said YouTube channel.
Yes, girl. Yeah. That's Wupe. She's the one who's going. Yes, girl. And then that's Foster. Hey. I'm going to Canada. Okay, so this is our last lunch. I don't know when else we're going to see each other. Are you excited? Yes. So you're excited to leave us?
No! I mean,
So you're not excited to go to the USA?
I knew it. No! I'm excited to go. But I'm kind of sad that I'll be leaving you guys.
Yeah.
But I still want to go.
Hey guys, so I'm in ShopRite because I've come to buy my friend Wupe a little something, okay, a little Zambian care package. She likes milk it, she likes chocolates, so we're going to get some milk it, chocolate, soya chunks, you know, things that aren't in America, you know.